Welcome back to German Brew. Today you see again, I'm not at the table, I'm here at the stove because today we make something special. We will make today a Bärenfang, a honey liqueur made with, of course, honey, vodka, best is from Poland, some cinnamon, lemon, and some vanilla. Also we need 1 or 2 cloves. They're really powerful, that's why not too much. Okay, for this we also need to heat the vodka a little bit so the honey can good dissolve inside. So I think let's start. We will start with the lemon. Here we have one. It's an organic lemon, and we just need the zest of it. So let's see that we can just get the peel really carefully. So, it really smells so good, and I think we're done. We have here now our orange shell, our orange peel, orange zest. I think now I have everything. Comes inside here. Big pot. Also we throw inside 2 cloves, that's just enough. They're too powerful. Two cinnamon sticks. And now the vanilla. 2 vanilla. We just cut them. Okay. 12. Okay. This 12 I need later. Why, you ask, I need the 12? Because in every bottle we put 1 vanilla. Now it smells like lemon and vanilla. Delicious. Okay, what we will do now, we take our vodka, it's Krupnik vodka since 1846. It's from Poland. The original Bärenfang came from the Preußisch part. So we just put all the vodka inside. Vodka. From the old Preußen, what part now of Poland. So that's why it's perfectly to use Polish vodka. And now we just put our stove on the lowest heat because we don't want to cook it. But we need a little bit heat to get the flavors out of the spices and the lemon zest. So yeah. In this time you see already there the bottles I prepare. So the vodka is good. I almost smell no alcohol. Ooh. Oh. But it's strong. It has 40%. Oh, but it's good. It's mild, but nice. Yeah, I like it. Of course, you also can use the German corn, other vodka. You can try it with rum, of course. Maybe I need to try it with rum one time. Whiskey, maybe. So If you can see, we have a little bit steam here, but not much. And then you can make it a little bit more down. So now it's on 1, and now you need to wait 10 minutes. Okay, now we have here our liquid, and now we need to put the honey. I have a fresh spoon here. We need 400 gram of honey. This one is around 500. Okay. It's a local forest honey. I have it here from a local beekeeper. We take 400 gram. There are different kind of recepts. Some said 300 for 1 liter vodka. Some said just 500. We go with 400. Okay, this glass was not completely filled. And you already can see the liquid dissolve the honey. Exactly 400. Wait until the honey is completely dissolved in the vodka. By the way, Bärenfang means bear trap. It's also known in Germany as Bärenjäger, bear hunter. And it's traditional known in Poland and in Germany. I think it's not so known in America, but really good. If you like meat, you will like it. So the honey is now completely in the liquid. But we're still not done. We need to wait again. Normally you said again around 10 minutes. Now we have this. It looks like this. It's really delicious. Just carefully it smells really, really good. This one you can use now. And here we are. A little bit more than 1 liter. And I prepare a lot of bottles. Now, just fill them. Carefully, of course. In every bottle is 1 vanilla. So I have here 11 bottles and this little bit. Yes, that's a Bärenfang. You see, it's not clear. Of course, it's with honey. Some I overfilled a little bit. This is more 100 milliliter. Or this, a bit less, but not much. Other I overfilled. It's difficult. I open it just. Let's try it. It's still a bit warm, a little bit more than room temperature. Normally you drink it in room temperature. The smell is great. You smell the lemon, the vanilla, no cinnamon, but we know it's there. but of course the vanilla will be extract also in the next week. Normally you keep this now for 1 or 2 weeks in the bottle, then you can give it to friends, drink it by yourself, and yes, I will try it now. Really good. The honey fits perfectly. The vodka, that was before a little bit sharp, but not too sharp because it was not so cheap vodka. Now mild, and the honey fits perfectly. It gives a nice flavor. 400 gram, perfect for 1 liter. It's even a little bit more. It's not so watery like before. Now perfectly. Of course, I think it also is possible with 300 gram, but 400 is better. There are a lot of recepts outside. That's only one. I really like it. Really nice. Really strong, but nice. So you can drink one easily because of the honey. But of course, just always a little. Drink carefully. And yes, if you like this, maybe you also like my brewing videos here. And you can subscribe here. Maybe we make again some other recipe of the Bärenfang, and maybe with some linden honey or lavender honey, and I like this with a local forest honey. It's really nice. We see you the next time. Bye.